Hello and welcome to my snow-covered city. I'm not in the woods today because we're going to talk about a more EDC styled knife. This knife here, the PUMA PARA skeleton knife. As I said, it's kind of a EDC styled knife. A full tang knife that's slim, easy to have in your pocket. There's of course a lot of multi-mount functions, like you could put some of these ulti clips in it, have it in your pocket. You can put a string in it, have it around your neck, or just in your pocket like this. And as you see, it is really slim. You don't feel it that much in your pocket, and still you get this, a full tang knife. So let's look closer at this cool knife. So as I said, an EDC full tang slim knife, skeleton knife, and it's really cool looking. First of all, the blade shape is sort of a clip point, and it's 8.5 centimeters long, and the whole knife is 3 millimeters wide. This is made from Böhler steel, and this has a really high hardening level, and it really keeps the edge very good. I've used it a lot, and it still just sits in the nail. Even though it's been used a lot, a couple strokes on a leather strap, it's really going again. The knife here itself is designed by Tony Lennartz. It's actually one of the knives I've used a lot. If you carry like a big knife, this doesn't weigh that much to be like the secondary knife for smaller tasks. I've used it a lot for meal prepping too, because it's easy to clean. You won't have any small things that has meat, juice and anything in it. You should just wipe the whole knife. And as I said, with the sheath that comes with it, it's kind of a multifunctional sheath. I've usually had it around my neck, and that works very well. You can have it in your pocket, again so slim that you barely feel that it's there. You can have these ulti clips, you can put it in your pocket or whatever. If you're a little more old school, you can buy this really cool leather sheath for it. Goes down, you snap it, and then you can put it around your neck. This is more of a traditional Puma sheath than the Kydex, but it's really nice to have both possibilities. There's also a belt loop in the leather sheath here, so there's also a possibility of putting it in your belt. So that's the sheath possibilities, but there's also a lot of custom possibilities for you to customize your own knife. There's the hole here in the handle, of course, keeps the weight down, but it also makes it really easy to put a paracord around it, or make like a paracord handle. And there's a bunch of ways you can wrap your handle. I'll show you one of the easiest way for me, and one of the best working ways for me. But there is endless possibilities about how you could wrap your knife. The only thing that is, if you wrap it, it won't fit in the leather sheath, but it will fit the Kydex sheath. I've taken the classic army green, and I have, I don't know, 60 centimeters. This is a bit short, so this only fits the handle. If you want to do a lanyard on it or put some beads on it, you need to make it a little longer. But I'll show you. See here, fairly simple. If you take it around here first and put the 2 strings down, then you take the top one and put it in through the handle here, like this. Then you have to start. Then always take the one closest to the edge, take it in, through, and through again. And then make sure you tighten at each loop. I'll just put the sheath on it here so I don't cut myself. Like this is the start. And as I said, take the bottom one in and in again. My fingers are a bit cold. And you just keep going like this, in again, push down, tighten both of them, in, tighten, and see here we're already starting to get a nice looking handle. I'll just keep going. You can easily see if you're doing something wrong and you didn't take the right one. You can see the pattern going off. So keep your eye on it and tighten it at every turn. The more tight you get it, the more nice it will look. See here, when you push it down, it looks way better. As I said, this is a bit short, so I won't do like the biggest and most tight fit. See here? Once you come to the end, you'll have these two loose ends, and you can put them through the top hole here. And if your string is long enough, it's not easy with these cold fingers. There. See here. They go through here in the end. And if your string is long enough, you can put some beads on it. You can make like a lanyard out of it. Continue with the paracord pattern you chose or whatever. Or you could just like cut it off and burn the edges here, and then it would like hold itself if you make the edges wide enough so it don't go through the hole here. So as you see, nice and simple, even with cold fingers. And you can use whatever paracord you want. You can fusion two paracords, so you have like two colors running. You can do whatever. You can match your paracord with the paracord that holds the sheath. You can customize it in like every way you want to. So this little nice EDC knife, really cool knife, and really usable knife for a lot of tasks, not just like an everyday carry, but I also think that it's very good for hunting, for breaking open animals. Again, because of the hygiene advantages, you can easily clean off the knife, and the Kydex sheath is also really easy to clean. This is a more modern style knife from PUMA, but a really cool one nevertheless. So check out the PUMA Para, and as always, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. It means the world to us that you want to see what we do and want to see the presentations of our knives. If you would like this knife, feel free to use the code LAST10 and get 10% off your PUMA Para or any other knife on pumaknife.com. By the way, PUMA has a whole new website up and running, so go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.